Castillo. It's Gloria, Castillo, Castillo.
And what were you telling me about people often there?
Well, these houses have been vacant since about January. They're supposed to be demolishing to build another apartment unit, but vagrants keep breaking in the houses and staying there, and I've been complaining about that because they're starting trouble. So I've complained to the police, I complained to Jose Huizar's office, I complained to the management company of the apartment units, that's the East LA Community Corporation. Nobody's done anything about it. I talked to the lead officer of down in Hollenbach Division, haven't heard anything.
How frustrating is it to see something like this?
It's really frustrating and it's concerning. I mean, I'm always aware now. I'm trying to be aware because we don't know what they're doing. The vagrants have come in and started fire in the back.
You know, they're so close to you where you live, right? You live like...
Yeah, I'm just a few feet away from that house. They've been throwing stolen items over the fence in my yard, and then now they got upset when the vagrants got upset. This young guy, because I threw them back and they kind of broke. So we don't know what they're going to do, but it's really, really frustrating. I've gotten no help from anywhere.
You're hoping that this is a lesson learned, hopefully.
Yes, I'm hoping that they'll do something about it now. They came in and cut through the security doors when they were training, but they just left it open so they can come in and out, you know. They haven't done anything to secure it.
Have you seen fires here before? You mentioned something like that.
There was a big evergreen tree that was cut down, I guess, from somewhere. One of the maintenance department from the apartment units were using the backyard to this house next door as storage and trash. They're throwing all the trash back there. They threw a big evergreen tree, and one of the vagrants lit it on fire. It was right next to the chain link fence, and it was almost up to my roof. So
now you're scared that this, you know, this might spread to your house one day if nothing gets done.
Exactly. And the thing is, when the police come out here, those vagrants see, and they know I'm the only one that lives here. So they know if a complaint comes, it's coming out of here. So I'm afraid that they're, you know, going to get upset and start doing something to my house.